Guys, come closer. Let's edit this video together using Capcut editing application. Don't forget to share to others. Alright, first of all, record the empty background of your scene. Then after that, you record the action part of the video. Once you're done with that, then you head over to Capcut editing application. Alright, after importing the two video clips to Capcut editing application, this is the first thing which you need to do. You need to come over to this side and highlight it so that you will increase the length of the empty background, okay? So once you have it highlighted, come to speed, click on it, click on normal again, then reduce this to 0.7 or 0.5. okay, let me just leave it like this. You click on check mark. Then having it done this way, you come over to this very action part of it and click on this very bar to have it highlighted. Then having it highlighted, you swipe to this area until you get to overlay. Then click and hold and drag the action video clip to the beginning of the video, okay? So still on it, have it highlighted again, then swipe to mask. This is mask. Then drop your question on the comment section if you have any, okay? So on this very mask, you head over to horizontal, the second box, okay? Click on it, then it will appear like this. Look at this very place. You will see a yellow line, okay? You need to use your two thumbs to take it to vertical position like this, like what I'm going to do now, okay? So those are white dots on the screen. As you can see, there are my two thumbs. Take it to this very position, okay? I hope you can see what I'm doing. Take it very close to that very stick, okay? Now this is the next thing which you need to do, okay? You come over to this very button here, this chroma key, okay, and activate the button. Click on it. The button has been activated. So as you are moving the video towards this direction, as you are pushing it towards this direction, then be doing the needful. I'll be showing you the practical way to do that, okay? Okay. So then you come over to this very yellow line and slide it a bit so that it will cover this side, okay? You really need to calm down and then do the workings. As you adjust the video, so you will be adjusting the line, okay? You can see what I'm doing. Just adjust it to fit in very close to the stick. You need to calm down, okay? Alright, until the whole thing disappears. Just cool down and do the adjustment, okay? This is a tutorial. In your own video, you can cool down and do it perfectly. Let's play the video. Have you seen it? So kindly go and practice this and don't forget to share to others so that they will benefit from this. Now once you are done adjusting, you click on this very button here, okay, and then click on this very check mark key. Then the next thing which you need to do before exporting is to remove the excess part of the video clip, okay, by cutting and deleting the excess part of it like this, okay? So the next thing which you need to do is to click on this export to have the video exported directly to your gallery. So share to others. Thank you.